Hey everybody, welcome to I Try So You Don't Have To. And today, I was at ShopRite and they had 3 new cheeses. sRedHot, which I do love, Frank's Red Hot. And then they have Cholula. I believe I pronounced it wrong. Someone told me how and it escaped me, so I apologize. And then mozzarella and parm with crushed red pepper. So, I mean, I'm just gonna eat them. We're gonna start with the crushed red pepper. I have a plate here, I don't know why. Oh, just got the spice. You know, this will melt nice. It's got a really nice kick. That's fun. I mean, it's got a little bit of a weird consistency, but overall, spicy. I enjoy that. All right, let's pick up the next one. See what we get. There we go. Whoa, you can smell the hot sauce. Not as much in just here. Better consistency on the cheese. Little smoky. Not as hot. This is actually hotter, which is wild. Alright, let's go with the Frank's. Just smells like cheese. It's the mildest of all. And this is cheddar, Colby Jack, natural American cheeses with cayenne pepper seasoning. The heat's coming now. It's a different kind of heat, but it does not have that tang that Frank's hot sauce has, like that. It's a good cheese. I will probably put this shit on everything, but I'm not really getting like that Frank's flavor.